Silver yielding higher lows have reversed last week, and we can see the pattern following up here. You can see similar pattern is getting yielded multiple times in our weekly reviews and daily reviews. We have discussed why 2240 2220 zone is going to remain important and critical for silver, and precisely prices reversed from the same level. Now, what to expect next week, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the summary of the observation and trading levels to watch out for. Watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I release for silver. First with the Asia session, next with the Europe session. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now, before we proceed also, yes, if you appreciate this effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great inspiration, motivation for me. Now, let's start first on the weekly charts. You can see higher lows are getting created, lower highs are seen here. Silver is under consolidation. Now, what has happened here and here, you can see this reversals and almost symmetrical formation. Now again from the higher lows it is reversing, and in fact there is a pattern within these two candles as well. Here also it is yielding higher lows. So now once it stays above 2350 2360 zone next week, stay long. We are going to look forward to 2420, and in fact we can see lower highs level which is almost at around 25 2480. So one thing is clear here, it is under consolidation. On the downside supports at 2420 2220 levels very strong, and if it breaks below 22, that is the point below which we can expect extreme bearishness to follow there. As long as 22 is respected, we have to be careful. Now what has happened in silver in the distant term, you can see $18 levels, good support, 26, $6 move here, then $4 $4 retracement here at 20, then again a $6 move to 26, and then a retracement towards 22. So $4 move, 6464 is what is happening. This suggests that it's still continuing in this bullish zone. Also, we have seen, see the support levels on the downside from the bottom of this channel is proving out to be very strong, and thus any break below 2220 and $22 levels is to be treated serious. Below 22 is where the bears will take over, and then we can see an extreme strong fall there. But right now it is under consolidation. Also, if you look at, see after the rise, this is forming a flag here. The bottom is little far away. Right now it is shying away from these levels, because see when it has to reverse and it has to give a breakout, it falls shy from the lower bottom of this channel, and that is what is happening. And this point of time, if any time you see silver is staying above 25, first we'll look forward to 26, which is a greater resistance, and staying above 26, just close your eyes, stay long in silver. We are going to look at 28 and $30 levels as well, but then you have to be watchful. It is definitely, it might take a little time. Also in the distant term, you can see since 2022 silver is trading in this channel. Above 26 is where it is going to see extreme bullish momentum, but this is distant term. Let's focusing on next week. Now coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts you can see consolidation going on here. Precisely all the three lows are aligned. This suggests reversal. Also, if you look at this candle, we have seen that why 2260 levels and beyond 2261 can stay long. It has breached past the resistance at 2320. Now 2320 was a critical resistance. It has breached past 2320, and the next milestone also it is achieved at 2330. Now I'll be looking forward to the next greener candle, which is going to take it at around 2360 levels. Very good resistance here at just at 2360 2380 levels. This is going to be the first resistance, and beyond that more bullish momentum might take it towards 2420 2450 level. Also remember, this reversal is coming after a long bearish trend. This is the first green candle, but at the same time what has happened here, see a minor reversal, then the downtrend, same, but this time it has breached the resistance here. That is very important. So once it has breached the resistance, it might continue on the upside. It can yield greener candles towards 2360 $24 levels. Also one must note that it is still under consolidation. Now let's have a look at the month. Now on the monthly charts, lower highs, higher lows, consolidation here as well, and the candle is going to stay in red. That is what it appears. A complete reversal. For complete reversal, it needs to break out beyond $25 levels in order to show complete reversal from here. Possibility is less that it is going to break past 25 in the month of September, and hence, uh, if it rises there at around, see what could happen. Increasing body size means it can try to limit its movement here at around 24, 23, 80 levels towards the end of the month. So this is one probability which we can focus upon. And yes, any move above 25 should certainly bring bullish momentum. Now, if you look at the monthly charts also, see bottom, then this was the bullish channel. It has breached the channel here on the monthly charts. At the same time, if you look at the formation, this is also forming a good flag, and hence a breakout above 25 should be taken up seriously. Now, also on the near term, as we saw on the weekly charts, see on the monthly charts, likewise, silver is trading in this sideways zone. Any breakout should bring more bullish movement. Now, this breakout is going to stay for long. It might try to take silver above 30 as well, but that is going to be a distant future. That is what it appears. At least for a couple of months, we may still see slight consolidation. Now, let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now, look at the monthly charts. See, prices try to approach the 50 and 100 months average, which is right now sitting at around $22 levels. Now, 100 months average means almost close to 9 to 10 years. Now, this is the average price for 9 to 10 years for silver, and thus it suggests that there is lot much on the upside left in the coming few months. But right now it is trying to get the support within this zone, and thus $22 levels are very critical. A move below 22 will certainly bring more bearish bias. Right now you can see it is staying over the 20 months average. It is converged, the price is converged towards the 20 and 50 and now trying to retrace. Now look at a stochastic. This was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. It can continue for a couple of months before looking upward. That is one more probability. And on MACD on the monthly chart, see, this is a crossover post COVID, bullish crossover. It was then the sharp bearish momentum we have seen, and now after long it has again crossed over on the greener side. Now what has happened here? See, price is a little divergent. It is trying to converge, and that is why we may still see the month of September staying in red. However, as long as it fails to cross over, we can say that the space is wide open on the upside, as this crossover is coming after a long time in silver. Also note that silver prices stayed bearish for years on the monthly charts, and then this momentum was seen. That this is the second time it is staying above this zone, and hence probably it might continue on the upside in the coming months. RSI flat coming to the weekly. Now on the weekly charts as well, see the prices fail to stay below 20, 50, 100 weeks average. We have seen a close above 100 weeks average, and now it can possibly march towards the 20 weeks average as well. Right now if you look at the 20 period, has started to look downwards. However, these are still staying in the buy zone. We can see not willing to cross over, and it is still staying parallel. This suggests consolidation and neither neutral note, you can say neutral bias, you can say. And hence, as long as we can see an up move in all the three, we have to be watchful. It is still under consolidation. Stochastic comfortable here, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the weekly charts here on the MACD. See, first of all, see silver prices rose from the bottom levels here, and then we have seen double top levels. Now it is stayed bearish. You can also note that this bearish note or this bearish move has come after long or after good bullish move. Thus it is sustained here. So possibly once it crosses over from here, you can see this space is wide open for silver to achieve higher highs. And if you count for it for a crossover from here, you will find that the prices has lot much of scope, and a breakout is what we should look forward to. So that is why I say yes, probably in the month of September we might not expect this reversal. In fact, even in October, possibility of it to stay bearish exists or consolidate exists, and hence 22 to $25 zone is where we need to keep the entire focus. As long as prices stay between 22 to 25, one has to remain cautious. It should not be treated as bullish or bearish. RSI comfortable coming to the day. Now look at daily chart. See why this rise is seen. Prices were too much divergent from the moving average. The moving averages have crossed over here. It is still staying bearish. You can see divergent and you can see bearishness. Now prices try to converge towards the 20 weeks average and the pivot level sitting at around 2330, 2335 levels. Also remember, this we have discussed in our daily chart, that it can try to converge in fact for the 50 and 100 days average, which is right now as 2350, 2360 levels. See, too much of divergence, call for the convergence here. It can stay there at this zone, and then uh, any move above 24 and then 2480 levels is where one can expect that it is trying to reverse. So there are stronger resistances which exist for silver on the upside. First, if it stays above 2320 and then 2340, 2360. So yes, I will not touch upon this on the analysis as of now. I'll give you the trading levels later. But yes, right now it appears there are greater resistances on the upside. First, probability for it to achieve 2360 levels exists is strong. Then 2450 zone is also probable. But yes, the closer of the month in red is what we can look forward to. $25 levels. Any move above 25, just close eyes, stay long. $25 levels is what I don't expect it to break. But yes, if it does, certainly the bulls will take over from there. So this is one part. And if you look at the daily stochastic, this is rising. This is signs of bullishness. Look at MACD. MACD was trading with divergence. It has started to converge. Candle sizes have started to diminish. So possibly it may continue on the upside from here. Let's watch out more. RSI is rising. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Only limited seats are available and purely on the first come first serve basis. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, first let's talk about the levels to. See, I will recommend first a buying entry at 2310 levels, but with a rider that now 2335, 2360. These are three major milestones here. Yes, these are good resistance for silver on the upside. And once it breaks past 2360, then the bulls might take over. We can look forward to 2390 and 2415 levels. Yes, these are going to be critical levels for next week. This is purely for next week. And see, for monthly charts, the levels are going to be slightly different, slightly much more with a better spacing. But this is for next week that you can look forward to these levels if it stays above 2360 levels. And beyond 2415 is where one can look forward to 2445 and 2470. I do not see it happening here, but these are markets. We have to watch out the levels. On the down, we can take a sell entry at 2290, but then see, we know that 2280 very good support, 2270 also the next support levels. Below that, we can look forward to 2240, 2220 zone. Now, I have always highlighted, I will keep on highlighting this. This is the strongest support zone for silver on the downside. Any break below 2220, then 22 will lead to a sharper fall for 2150 and $21 levels. Yes, anything and everything is possible. This is silver can show you extreme price volatility, and still I will say as long as 22 to 25 zone is respected, we have to trade with caution in silver. It can consolidate here for this month. It can consolidate in this zone for next month as well before giving an up move. So take positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my Signals channel, join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily analysis, twice a day analysis. Definitely it will add meaning to you.